So guys, we are playing this Tornado Chaser. It got updated more and more and was a dominated. We got Vortex T3. You spawn UMass. Wait, that is how it deployed. How it deployed. How gonna deploy it? Oh! That's how you deploy this Dominator 3? Are you for seriously? That is so good. Let's find some tornado, man. Let's find some tornado. You know, I have 2.3 million and 8 because I just grinded so hard. I just grind a lot, yeah. I just grind a lot. If we can beat it, if we can do it. That tornado just left. What the heck? That tornado just left. What the heck? That is so cringe. I am beside. Where we are gonna find tornadoes? Wait, I'll get my plushie. No, oh here. It's right there, it's right there. Right there. It's right there. Let's catch it, catch it. I wish we are in the Arberg. Let's catch this. Do not let it escape. Do not let it escape. Do not let him escape. Don't escape. Don't escape, tornado. Don't escape. Please, you are almost there. You're almost there, guys. You're almost there. You are almost there. Come on, let's intercept this. Oh, it's pink. Don't be orange. Don't be left. Oh, it's good. Let's go, come here. It's going that way. It's going that way. Go, 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 go. I'm deploying. Oh my god, we are making money. We are making money, chat. We are making money. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so insane, guys. Oh my god, this is so insane. This is so insane. Help! Help! Help me! I'm deploying. Oh no. I think I just lagged the server. Again. UMass is not a good idea. Oh. It can deploy it. Yeah, I'm in the Arberg. UMass is a trash car. Nah, I'm not gonna lie. UMass is a trash car. We spawn at Vortex T3. Vortex T3 has so much speed. Look at this speed. Not yet, Koda. Not yet, Daddy. I'm making a video, Daddy. I said later to 8. I'm making a video. Okay, deployed. Look at this deployed system. Oh my god, this is so cool. Look at the deployed. Last time we are playing Vortex T2, but no, we are playing Vortex T3 because I am rich. Rich. I think the tornado's gonna spawn here, chat. This is a fast car, man. This is a fast car. Not gonna lie, this is a fast car. Look. Nah, it's so slow. When you go to this brown, it slows you. Like twisted. Yeah, in Arberg. Yeah, in Arberg. It spawns, it spawns, it spawns. Let's go, let's go. It spawned, it spawned. Oh my god, this. Oh my god. Go, 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 chase it. Let's chase it. Chase it down. Do not let it escape. Do not let it escape. Oh my god. A tornado. I'm not gonna lie, that is a massive tornado. Where is it going? It's going right there. Wait, it's going right there. I think we're gonna intercept this. Okay, intercept this. Oh my god, we are inside the tornado. You are inside the tornado, man. Oh my god, oh my god. Just go, go, go. Please, please, still alive. Please, still alive. Let's go. We just exploded. Whatever. Can it be deployed? Does it work? Oh, it works. Phew! That is a tough round, man. That is a tough round. There's upgrades. Let's chase that tornado down again. Chase it down. Do not let it go away. Oh my god. Yeah, close to the tornado again. Oh my god, it is a massive tornado. Where is it going again? Kinda lost direction. His Dominator one, he failed. Let's follow the Slayer too. He knows what he's doing. The Santa Tornado. It spawns! It spawns! It spawned! It spawned! It spawned! It spawned! It just literally spawned. Hey, Tiv 2! You a dumb Tiv 2. Okay, close, close. Close to the tornado. Please, if we make it, I'm gonna kiss you. Please, we make it. No, I hate these hills. Oh my god, we are gonna survive this. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so excited, man. We are so excited. We are so excited, man. We are so excited. We are so excited. Later, Daddy, wait. Yes, Daddy. Oh, wow! The tornado's coming here. It's coming in, man. It's coming here. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Please. If we're still alive. Please. Oh my god. You're making money. You are inside that tornado. What the heck? 3! 21! Oh my god, what is that? What is that number? What is that number? What is that number? Done deploying. Yo. Yay, we survived. We survived, yay! Let's follow this layer too. Where's this? Where is going? Let's follow him. Slayer 2, are you dumb? Oh, let's follow him. Let's follow him now. Go, charge! Oh, the tornado. The tornado is here. The tornado. Good, my God. It's gonna spawn. I'm laggy. Come on. Multi-vortex. Oh my god, I hate multi-vortex. I'm coming. I hate these trees. These dumb trees, what are they doing? Come on, let me intercept this. Come on, if we still make it. Come on, can we still make it? Please. Let's go. Yeah, I'm deploying. I hate these dumb trees. Chat. Please intercept this. What's the Slayer 2? Is right there. Let's go here. Let's go here. Think that the tornado is gonna spawn. Do not let the tornado spawn. Do not let the tornado spawn. Guys. Do not let the tornado spawn. Oh my god. Wait, it's gonna go here. This is a good start, man. This is a good start. Let's spawn. Oh my god, let's wait for the tornado in 1 minute. Guys, it's right here. The clouds is right here, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Let's survive this. Later, we're going. We are not going inside. We are not going inside the car. We are not going inside the car. It's going here. Oh my god. Yo, this looks cool. I like the update. Thumbs up. Thumbs up the update. Yeah, we should go inside. We should go inside, chat. Yeah, we go inside. If we can survive this, I'm gonna poop in my pants. Multi-vortex! That is a multi-vortex. What the heck? You're almost to afford the tip 2. Wait. Wait. Let's ride in the Dominator T. Let's ride in the Dominator T. Yeah! Way inside in Dominator 3. This looks good. Tweet. Goes the Dominator 3. Let's see how I can deploy it. Let's see how I can deploy it. Oh my god! We are excited, man. We are excited. Oh my god. Catch the fire tornado. This dumb cheese. I'm moving the away. That's those 6. Let's spawn a UMass. UMass. Let's go. Deploy it. And deploy. Please. Let's go. You're fast. You're super fast. Oh my god, they are gonna catch the tornado. This looks big. Oh my god. This is so big. Like a fat boy. I'm deploying. Okay guys, done hunting the tornado. If you guys watching this video and hit that like button and subscribe video, and see you in the next video. Wow.